Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable autoplay for GIFs and Telegram groups on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version of the official Telegram app installed. Step 2. Next, locate and click on the hamburger menu icon at the top left corner of the Telegram app. This will open the main menu. Step 3. From the menu, click on Settings in the sidebar. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, look for the Advanced option and click on it. This will open the Advanced settings. Step 5. Within the Advanced settings, find the Automatic Media Downloads section. Click on In Group to access the group settings. Step 6. Now, locate the GIF option under the Autoplay section. Click on the toggle next to it to disable autoplay for GIFs. Step 7. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes and disable autoplay for GIFs and Telegram groups on your PC. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled autoplay for GIFs and Telegram groups on your PC. Enjoy a more controlled viewing experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.